Let me show you how to use your Joy-Con controllers on the Nintendo Switch 2 as a mouse. So yep, this year we actually get mega cool feature and we can actually use these controllers as a mouse as well. So let's remove basically. So maybe if you are playing some shooter games, this is actually very cool feature. As you see over here, we have the laser is essentially over here in this controller, and inside the box you also find these things over here. So what you really do is you simply attach this over here, and then basically you see you have these skates for the mouse, so it's more stable and also like glides better, and yeah, basically we can use it then. So to attach it, we simply start with the bottom, so do not start with the top because otherwise it won't fit. So literally put this inside and then like snap it on the top over here, and then basically as soon as you place it on your like surface or wherever really, as you see what happens, essentially we get this mouse mode, and essentially as we move it around, as you see, how cool is that. Also, for example, you can even use this on pretty much any surface. So again, the usability device is absolutely great. So as you see, for example, you can use it on a hand or maybe on your leg, so wherever basically you do not even need a cable, like a table essentially, so where to do it, or any mouse pad or stuff like that. By the way, also we can actually remove these like straps over here as well if you do not want them. Personally, yeah, I find that they kind of disturb you. Maybe you can like pull this away, so if you do not want to remove it, so use it like this. So yeah, absolutely amazing feature. Anyway, good luck.